So recently, something kind of frustrating happened in the AI world that a lot of us weren't expecting. A tool called Grok, which many of us were using as our go-to for free AI video generation, has suddenly changed its rules. They've now put most of their best features behind a paywall. And honestly, it's pretty disappointing. Before this, it was one of the easiest ways to create high-quality AI images and videos without spending a single penny. But now, you can't really use it effectively unless you add your credit card details. And for many creators, that's just not an option they want to take. But don't worry, because the AI space is moving fast and there are always better options if you know where to look. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 really good free alternatives that you can start using today. Let's start with one of my personal favorites, which is CapCut. Now, I know what you're thinking. Most people think CapCut is just a basic video editing app for your phone, but it has actually evolved into a massive AI powerhouse. If you log into their desktop or web version, you'll see built-in AI tools that are honestly underrated. They have a text-to-video feature that can generate entire clips based on your description, plus an AI image generator that's surprisingly fast. They also offer auto captions and AI templates that can save you hours of work. If you're creating content specifically for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, CapCut is basically an all-in-one studio that can handle everything from generation to the final edit in one single place. Next up on the list is Google Flow. I've been using this one quite often lately because it's very reliable and gives you a lot of room to experiment. The best part is that it gives you around 150 credits every single day, which is a very generous amount for free users. You can use these credits to test out different styles and prompts without feeling like you're running out of resources. And here's a small pro tip for you. If you have multiple Google accounts, you can easily switch between them to get even more daily credits. It gives you access to some of the strongest AI models currently available, so if you want professional results for free, this is definitely worth a try. Now, this next one is a bit of a hidden gem that not many people are talking about yet, and that is Qwen AI. While most creators are focused on the big names, Qwen has been quietly building a very powerful platform. You can think of it like an advanced AI assistant that has deep creative features. It's not just for chat, it can actually generate high-quality images and even handle complex video-related tasks. It offers a lot more flexibility compared to basic tools, allowing you to fine-tune your creative vision. If you're tired of the same old results and want to try something more sophisticated, you're definitely missing out if you haven't checked out Qwen AI yet. Next is Imagine AI. This one is a great choice for those who focus heavily on visual aesthetics. The way it works is quite straightforward. It gives you 100 credits daily, which is more than enough to generate a huge library of high-quality photos and digital art. The detail and clarity in the images are often better than what you'd get from paid tools. However, there is one thing you need to keep in mind. While it's amazing for photos, generating videos requires a lot more processing power and therefore more credits. So, for the advanced video features, you would eventually need to upgrade your account or switch to a pro plan. But if you are looking for a reliable daily source for AI images, Imagine AI is a fantastic free option to have in your toolkit. Finally, let's talk about Genmo AI. If you are a beginner or just want something that works without any complicated settings, this is the tool for you. Genmo is designed to be super simple and user-friendly. The process is as easy as it gets. You just type in your prompt, hit the generate button, and watch the magic happen. There's no need for a complex setup or technical knowledge. It's completely free and consistently delivers solid, creative results. Whether you're looking to animate a still photo or create a short video clip from scratch, Genmo provides a very clean and effortless experience for quick AI creations. So yeah, those were 5 of the best free alternatives you can start using right now instead of Grok. Each of these tools has its own unique strengths, so I'd highly recommend trying out a few of them to see which one matches your specific style. AI is all about experimentation, so don't be afraid to play around with different prompts. And I'm curious to hear from you. Which one of these are you going to try first? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the best AI tools and creative tips. See you in the next video.